Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a quick haul on some string, what is it called? Is it just string gel or stringy gel? I don't know what it's called, but this is from Amazon, so I figured I'd give it a try. I haven't used that string gel. I did take off all like the color protectants because these are just basic colors, so it's not earth-shattering colors like, oh my god, I need to open it and get the first impression. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the black one, and you can see it is a nice solid black. So I just have a little stick here. So I do find with this type of gel, you can grab quite a bit. Like, I'm just dipping the tip in, but if you grab a lot, if you use a brush, it'll grab a lot. You can see down at the bottom. No, I guess you can't see. But yeah, anyway, let's do the demo. And I know a lot of people like doing geometric shapes with them, and I think that is like the coolest part about string. You can get super thin. I feel like, let me zoom in here, yeah. Let me make this line a little bit darker. But if you have it super controlled, you can do so many things with it. I just think this is so cool. Especially, look how thin that line is. It's not even in focus. Let me turn off the autofocus. Like, I think this is just so cool. Like, look at that. Look at that. I don't think I did a good job at keeping that straight, but isn't that so cool? So yeah, this is the black one, and thankfully it's super black. It's not a very see-through. Obviously, if you get thinner lines, it will be see-through, but for right now, we're good. All right, let's do the white. Again, it's just a nice bright white. And let's have some fun. I find you want the pot pretty close to where you're going. Okay, I realize you're probably not gonna see the white over my white table, so I will go ahead and put my finger under it. Just kind of get it to break off. But look at how cool that is. Is that just not the coolest thing? Although I have to say, I feel like most gels you can get it without doing that. So let's we'll go ahead and go into the red here. So here is that red right here. And I left that white on, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to maybe add some red to it. Nifty. Do people still use the word nifty? I feel like I may have just dated myself to millennial. Yeah, I think I like them for straight lines. If you know anything about straight lines, I mean, that was obviously a stupid comment to make, but you know what I mean. Like, doing gel with straight lines is so hard. There we go. Although that one was not very straight. But yeah, this is so cool. Maybe my next design is going to need some string jellies on them. All right, let's get into the blue. Whoop. Let's break it first. Ooh, this would be cool to do. Oh yeah, this is a really pretty blue. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, just a little line over it. Yeah, this is a really pretty blue. I like this blue a lot. I feel like you guys kind of get the picture, so I'm really just showing you swatches at this point because string jelly is just so cool. All right, this is the gold, and it's been a while since I've opened these. This one needs a stir. Thankfully, none of the other ones do, but none of the other ones are glitter. Yeah. See what I mean? You can get real thick. It depends what you grab it with. It almost seems like it's like Elmer's glue. All right, let's go for gold. Yes. Now, I've said this a lot in my channel, but I like a more champagne gold, but doesn't mean I can't appreciate like some gold. My phone decided to blow up right now. I think I would absolutely recommend, you know the stuff that kind of goes around, you can paint around your nails, like your actual nails here. I recommend getting some of that if you are going to use this stuff, because if you're doing, you know, those types of designs and you have to touch the side, it may get on the skin, and you want to avoid getting this stuff on your skin. So let's talk silver. And I have a feeling silver is gonna need a stir as well. Yep. So these ones needed a stir, and I don't know if it's because it is that kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Chrome type, where the other ones were color. Let me pop that bubble so it goes in. All right, let's get some silver here. Apparently this is the only design I know how to do. I really like the silver, actually. I think the silver is going to be great at holiday time, because that is some shiny silver. Yeah, this stuff works really well. Not that I expected it not to work well. I want to point that out. I did expect it to work well. So I'm going to show you the colors real quick. Obviously, you'll have to excuse the stirred ones versus the non-stirred ones. Turn that focus back on. So yeah, I think these are great, and I believe I paid like $6 for them, and I got all 6 colors. So I will go ahead and link those below, but can we just talk about how cool they were? Oh man, I didn't realize my light wasn't on the video the like entire time. But yeah, I'm really excited to have these. I think this one, especially during holiday time, will be awesome. And that one. That would make such an easy candy cane nail. Yes. I'm so excited for these. So I hope you guys look forward to seeing them in my next tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.